So I'm here at the National Museum of Natural History. Medyo daghang tao kay taligsik sa gawas. Tapos I think I'll go to the National Museum for Anthropology and then maybe Fine Arts if napayatan. Been to all three national museums multiple times na, but I was bored and I thought, why not go to the museums today? Alam niyo ba na noong 1688, tinatagkakaw na pharmacy sa Philippines? How did I know? I read it there. So, natakaran sa may Mossy Forest exhibit. Camping. Guys, did you know that there are 12 kinds of forests in the Philippines? And gina-describe siya really based sa kung saang plants or species nga naa dito, but based on structure and general appearance. How did I know? It's there. So what are the 12 kinds of forests? It's your assignment. Pass it on Monday. So at the beginning of the Spanish colonial period, 90% pa sa Philippine sky covered with forests. It covered 90% of the total 300,000 square kilometer total land area.